Well, Paula, we want to get your insight on another story. Mexican drug lord Joaquin El Chapo Guzman is scheduled to return to federal court Friday. The hearing will be only the second time El Chapo has been able to leave his prison facility at the notorious MCC federal prison. Paula, what is the purpose of Friday's hearing?
They have a few things on the docket. The first is that he's currently, you wouldn't believe this, he is currently represented by a U.S. taxpayer-funded public defender. Now, Elaine, we all know he's one of the wealthiest men in the world, and he's currently trying to get in touch with his family, his lawyer in Mexico, to figure out how much money do we have, who should we hire. That is going to be the subject of what is called a cursio hearing, because the public defenders also represent a lot of the people who are going to testify against him. So there's a legal procedure in place where those conflicts have to be waived. But in the long term, he'll probably get a private defender. In addition, Elaine, he is not pleased with his conditions in prison. His lawyers have filed a litany of complaints saying that their client is only allowed out of his cell about 5 hours a week. He only has one possession in his cell. It's a little radio that he purchased at the commissary, and that, they say, is his only contact with the outside world beyond occasional meetings with his lawyers.
Well, Paula, Senator Ted Cruz has proposed using assets seized from the drug lord to fund the border wall. Any possibility of that happening?
It's a long shot. You'd have to sort of change the law. You'd have to change the rules on asset forfeiture and funding this federal project. But I'm sure to a lot of people, it sounds like a good idea in theory. But again, it's a long shot to really sort of pass that kind of law and to use those assets, which are, quite extensive, to fund that wall.
All right, CBS News Justice reporter Paula Reid in Washington for us. Paula, thank you.